Can I start trading cryptocurrency with $10? This is a question I get from a community member, and I will answer this question straight. Yes, you can start trading cryptocurrency with as little as $10. But I am not in support of you starting your crypto trading with $10. And I will tell you why. And here are the reasons. Now, you are trading cryptocurrency to make money, to get profit, right? Good. And as you are trading, every percentage you get from the market matters a lot. 1%, 2%, 3%, down to 100, 2x, 3x, they all matters, all right? Now, the 1% you are getting from the market should be able to get you a launch. I repeat, your 1%, if you are making 1% profit in a trade, that 1% should be able to get you a launch. Now, if you are trading with $10, 1% of $10, that is 10 cents. And when you convert your 10 cents to Naira, that is 150 Naira. Can 150 Naira get you a launch? Or thereabouts? That is 1%. Now, maybe 1% is too small for you. Let's say you make 10% from the $10 you are using to trade. 10% of $10 is $1. $1 is around 1,500 plus right now. Can 1,500 Naira plus get you a launch? With 10% is not a small money when it comes to return on investment. 10% is not small. 1% is also not small. Now, if you are trading with $10, one of the disadvantages is this: greed. You will get greedy, and this might in turn affect you in the long run. You will not know, but indirectly you are grooming yourself to be greedy. When you make 1% with your $10, you will not want to take profits because it will be too small for you. You will not want to take profits. All right, and along the line you may end up losing your capital. Also, let's say you make 10% from your $10 trade. 10% is $1, meaning you are now having $11. Will you want to take profits? You will not want to take profits because $1 is nothing to you. Your target will be to turn your $10 to in one trade. And along the line, you may end up losing that $10 that you have because of greed. As this continues, even when you have a large sum of money to start your trading, you have already programmed yourself to be greedy. Even when you are trading with $1,000 right now and you make $100 or $50, you will not want to take profit because your mind have already been programmed. You want to make times 2 of whatever you are using to trade. So, if you are trading, before you start trading, ask yourself the question: if you are making 1%, like let's say you make 1% today from trading, will that 1% be able to get you a launch? If the answer is yes, then you can start trading with that money. But if the answer is no, if the 1% cannot get you a launch, I don't advise or recommend that you start trading with that amount of money. Yes. But however, you can start trading with $10, all right? So yeah, it's Crypto Sam. All I do is crypto and Web3. If you want to learn more about crypto and Web3, or you want to get alpha tips from me, hit on this follow button for me if you are seeing me for the first time. Like this video for me and share with your contact. Yeah, see you on the next one. Bye for now.